Now, welcome back to the channel. I'm Matthew Vick, and this is the JoJo Lena. And today we're going to talk about what, JoJo?
Well, today we're going to talk about ways that you can save money and make more money doing junk removal.
Doing junk removal, how to save money and make more money. So enjoy the video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And we got a new employee yesterday. JoJo, should we introduce him to the new employee?
We should definitely show you our new little worker.
Check him out. Look at him go. That's like a $15 an hour run. Holy crap, he's bringing it back. Look at that. He's a go-getter for sure. And that's our new hire, guys. So hopefully you enjoy the video. And now let's get this money.
At the first job of the day, it's a repeat customer, and don't you just love them? And they keep calling you back and giving you money.
So here's the first job of the day. It's about a half load, and it's a curbside pickup. Now the first job is complete, and the JoJo has the tip of the day.
Well, the tip of the day is right now your phone's probably ringing like crazy because it is summertime and it is junk removal season. But remember that sometimes in the winter, depending on where you live, you might slow down quite a bit. So don't spend your money that you're making, tuck it away and save it for the slow season.
Yeah, save your money. Don't go out there and spend it all. Only thing I would spend money on is reinvesting in your business cards, flyers, signs, and stuff like that. Don't go out there and spend it like you're hecka rich right now. Just tuck your money away and save it for the slow season, especially if it's your first year doing the junk removal business. You might be like, damn, I'm making a hell of money right now. Just tuck it away and save it, guys.
Yeah.
Now we're heading to the next one. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
So that was a very narrow, winding driveway, and I was so thankful that we did not have the truck and trailer and that we were doing that in the dump truck.
So we're at another one, and it's some easy money. Look at that. Super simple 5-minute job, baby. Now, job is complete. It took about 2 minutes. And JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
I'm going to say about $52.
I'm going to say $73. And today's been an easy day so far.
A super easy day. One's in the garage, another curbside pickup. I love it.
And now I'm going to show you how to save some money before you go to the landfill and lighten your load, guys. So check this out. So check it out. You want to save money out here in California? We got a spot where we can dump toilets, dump shitters for free. So that's something you definitely want to do. I'm going to lighten the load up by dropping these off. And also, if you ever come across any tires, don't pay what the dumps charges you. Out here in California, it's $17 a tire. Bring them to a tire shop near you. Call up Big O Tires or Les Schwab and see how much they charge. We pay $3 for each tire. So that's another way you save money. So I'm gonna dump these for free and lighten the load up. And always be super careful because you never know. You might get shit on the bottom of your hand. It's happened to me hell times. So check it out. It was 1,000 pounds at $66. I do believe I won, but I'm not 100% positive.
You won. It seems like the JoJo has lost her mojo.
Oh yeah, definitely. Now let's talk some more trash about how to save money and make more money. Well, the first thing you really want to do is save all your write-offs, all your receipts whenever you go out to eat, spend money on tools, your advertising. You want to have a bookkeeper if your wife's not a bookkeeper, and also a CPA. JoJo, how important is it to save all your receipts?
It is so important to save all of your receipts. Anything that you do for your trucks, even when you go to a car wash, get an oil change, load up with gas. Save all of those receipts because they are going to add up and they're going to save you so much money when it comes tax time. And a bookkeeper will, itemize those things and add them up for you, and then she or he will send them off to your CPA, and your CPA is going to be the key for you saving lots of money, because they're going to tell you where you're spending too much money, where you're not spending enough money, and how much you're going to owe at the end of the year, and what you should buy to keep from owing so much money at the end of the year. So a CPA, so important. And not only that, but you also get to write them off.
You get to write them off too. It is a game changer. When we were doing our own taxes, going through H&R Block, we weren't saving as much money as we are now. With the right CPA, you will save so much money. You'll know where to spend money, and it's a game changer for sure.
Absolutely.
And what we do too is we pay quarterly. I would pay quarterly if you just started your junk removal business, and the reason why, you don't get hit with that lump sum at the end of the year and you owe a lot of money. So that's what I would do.
Oh yes, because when you are self-employed, that is something that may catch you by surprise, and you find out that you owe the government $20,000. You're like, whoa, what?
Yeah, you thought you were hauling and balling, and all of a sudden you broke as hell now. You spent all that money on rims and going to Vegas and taking trips. You thought you was hauling and balling, but you found out you might be going to jail. So yeah, that's a good tip, JoJo.
It's such a good tip. You definitely want to pay quarterly. Absolutely, because and your CPA will tell you how much money you need to pay quarterly, and we wouldn't have been able to figure that out on our own. A CPA helps you do that. They help you kind of foresee how much money you're going to be making this year, and then they will let you know, hey, this is how much money you should pay quarterly, and then you just do that, and it'll make it to where you are not paying a lump sum, and you don't want to have to do that.
So we are at the next job of the day, and I'm not sure if we can film or not. This is a repeat customer, and the reason why is because he likes to help us load it up, JoJo.
Yeah, but those are great customers.
Oh yeah, we love customers like that. So he's supposed to have a half load. Let's see what he got. So here's the next one. It's some construction debris, a few boxes, and then over here we got a bunch of stuff. It looks like a full load to me. Now, just like that, job is complete, and I love it when the customer says they got a half load and it ends up being a full load. And that's why I love showing up to customers' houses with an empty dump truck. JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
Construction. Some heavy stuff in there. I'm going to say 74.
74? I'm going to say 119. And that guy's super cool, huh?
He is super cool.
And what was his bathroom like?
Oh, yeah, I was going to say, it's crazy because when you go to some people's houses that have like a gate code and lots of land in this big gorgeous house, I really needed to use the bathroom, so I asked if I could use his bathroom, and I walked in there and it was like Star Trek. I couldn't figure out how to use the toilet was you sat on it. The toilet had seat warmers. You sat down and the toilet was warm, and then it was one of those that had like a bidet, and I don't know how to use those things.
A bidet?
Yeah.
A bidet or bidet?
A bidet, it cleans your booty.
Oh my goodness, I'm turning back around. I need to go wash my ass. What the hell, JoJo?
I couldn't figure out how to flush it. I was like, oh my gosh, this is way high tech. It was a beautiful bathroom, but the toilet had to have been like, I don't know.
That's rule 345 in the junk removal business. Never use a customer's bathroom ever taking a deuce. Did you go deuce?
No, I just had to pee, but I still, I don't know. Leave a comment. Have you ever seen one of those toilets? It literally lit up. It was touch screen, and It was very high tech, like Star Trek.
Oh, I gotta go see this. We're turning back around. Screw this. We're going back. I gotta take me a deuce.
That'd be your favorite toilet to ever poop on.
Well, we'll find out about that. Now check it out, the Tesla's getting money today. Has a little hauler behind it. Now just like that, we always give it to you raw and uncut. We both were off on that dump fee. JoJo is $165.
We were so far off. I was almost $100 off.
I was off about $40, so I guess I won. So let's talk more about how to make more money and save more money in the trash business. And one way you can make more money is find out people that sell antiques, antique shops. We actually have an antique lady that has barn sales all the time, and we drop off antiques there and she sells them. So you can also bring them to antique shops. They'll buy them there, or they'll put them on consignment, or you can even put them on Facebook Market yourself and make that money. And what are some more ways to make some money, JoJo?
There's so much you could do to save money. There's also people that will actually buy books.
Oh yeah, you'll get a phone call out the blue and they'll hit you up and say, if you ever come across any books, we'll buy them. How many times does that happen to us?
That happens a lot. And you know, you can sell them yourself, but not everybody has time to sell stuff, you know, yourself. So you can find somebody that will buy books off you. And there's even people that will sometimes buy video games. If you come across old video games and stuff. So once again, you can sell this stuff yourself, but not everybody likes to do that or has time to do that. So you can find people that, you know, will enable you to get rid of your stuff for free, and you're helping them too because they're wanting to sell stuff.
Or you can save the stuff until wintertime when it slows down, and then you'll have time to post stuff online and make the extra money. And that's something we're gonna do.
Yeah, because now we have a garage and we can do that.
Oh yeah. And hot items for us to sell are patio furniture.
Yep.
Music instruments, tools. Dressers. Oh, we sell dressers super fast.
And chairs, even things that you think are ugly, other people will buy it.
Like retro 70s green stuff, lime stuff sells. Trust me, that stuff goes.
It goes, and it's something I would never put in my house. But when you put it online, it sells really quickly. And if you have the space, definitely do what Matthew said and tuck it away and, you know, sell it during your slow season.
Yeah, because I know it's hard to find time when you're doing junk removal because you're so busy. Like right now, we're super busy and we don't have time to really post stuff. We do actually sold that cabinet safe hutch thing, whatever it is.
Yep.
And
yeah, we sold that. And what was great is normally when we lived in the apartment, we would have put it on for super cheap and tried to flip it really fast. But this time we had a garage and we were actually able to, you know, put it online and wait to actually get the money that it was worth and we were asking for. And that it's just great. So definitely, if you have the space, bring things home and wait for the slow season, or just take your time and sell it, and you'll be amazed at how much extra money you can make.
So hopefully you guys like these videos. If you do like this video, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.